Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to translate audio into any language. First, open Edimakor on your computer. Click on Auto Subtitles for video. I have imported an audio file here. You can also record your audio directly for translation. Next, click on Speech to Text to generate subtitles for your original audio. Now, select the subtitle track, go to the right panel, and click on the Translate button. Select the translation language, enable the speaker, and pick an AI voice you prefer. Then click Translate to start translating your audio. That's it. You'll see the results window.
Hola a todos, bienvenidos de vuelta a nuestro canal.
If you're not satisfied with the first version, click the refresh button to optimize. You can also manually edit the subtitles. The voice is automatically updated. To hear a different voice, click the voice name, select a new voice, and regenerate the audio.
Hola a todos, de vuelta al canal.
Check bilingual subtitles if you want both original and translated text. Then click Add, otherwise only the translated ones will show. Mute the original audio track and play the audio file. Check out.
Hola a todos, de vuelta al canal.
Hoy, vamos a guiarte a través del proceso de 1 minuto para transcribir vídeos en árabe.
You can repeat the process to translate your audio into any other language. To export your audio translation, click on Export and select Export Audio. Check Export Subtitles to get a bilingual subtitle file. In the subtitles section, you can export subtitles in just one language. Thanks for watching, drop your comments below, and see you next time.